Vanakkam friends, this is Ram from Miami, a channel for science-packed turtle care. In today's video, I'm making a small but important change to my turtle tank setup. As honestly as the turtle grows, their setup needs to grow along with them as well. So this is a simple basking platform that I made with a fish tank divider, which I'm going to extend today because I have added a 30-inch terrarium hood, the UVB light, to their setup. So I have to extend in such a way that both the turtles can bask comfortably or they may become territorial. And to be honest, they have grown from what I have seen them. So it's good to give them a better space so they grow well. I'm also going to make some more upgrade to this basking loft with the challenges that I faced earlier. Like if you see the holes, the turtle's tail gets trapped and also their nails get trapped and they breaks. So to avoid this, I'm going to add a bed liner which is specifically for reptiles. I got it from Amazon. So I will be adding the bed liner in the ramp along with the surface so that they don't get injured. I'm also going to extend these boundaries to avoid accidents as they are good climbers and they are growing up now. What I'm using is a simple fish tank divider. I like them because it is lightweight, water safe and easy to customize. I'm also going to align the new dividers with the old loft so everything fits together like one unit. No sharp edges, no weird gaps. See, making this basking loft is simple and very easy. All you have to do is, if you see, these are the new ones. So this is exactly the same thing. So what I have done is I have tied up the zip ties so that it stays sturdy. If you also see, it is made in such a way that it can be connected together. And then if you tie a zip tie, it will hold sturdy. So in that way, I have connected 3 of the fish tank dividers together to make a base and then the boundaries. And I have covered it on top so that it doesn't climb and jump off easily. But then now the problem is I'm using a terrarium hood, so the UVB light falls on the basking loft, and if there are any obstruction in between like this, the right amount of UVB won't fall on the turtle, and that is why I'm going to remove this, probably just extend only the boundaries so that they don't climb up. So let me show you how I do this. Extending is very easy. All you have to do is just untie the zip locks that you have made. As in the turtle grows, you can also keep extending them. You don't want any wobble, tilt or sudden shifts when turtle climbs up. Once everything is tied properly, I am securing the base by placing it under a granite stone. This adds weight without blocking movements and it keeps the loft completely stable even when both turtles climb at the same time. What I love about this kind of setup is flexibility. As my turtles grow, I don't need to throw everything away and start from scratch. I just extend, adjust and reinforce. That's the beauty of DIY when it's done thoughtfully. If you're wondering whether this is safe, yes, as long as you make sure there are no sharp edges, everything is tightly secured and the structure doesn't shift when you press it down with your hand. Always test it before letting your turtles use it. Here you go. The extended basking loft is ready. I'm sure you found this video useful. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will leave all the affiliate links for the dividers, zip ties and other products I use in the description below. You don't have to use them, but if you do, it helps support this channel and more science-packed turtle content. And if you want daily updates, real setups and calm, research-driven turtle care, follow me on Instagram at my.ame. My DMs are open. If you're stuck, confused or just want to double check your setup, just message me. We're all learning and we're all improving, one upgrade at a time. Thank you so much for watching and do click on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I update a new science-packed turtle care videos. See you on the next.